Guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G55, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select Personalize. Here click on Wallpaper, and now you can either pick something from your own photos or curated images, however you like. I'll pick the second option. So now just select the photo that you want to cover your screen with. Then you will be able to customize it. So this is how it will look on both home and lock screens. I'll go with something else, maybe this one. So now you can zoom it in and out however you prefer, and then click on Set Wallpaper. The last step is to decide if you want this photo to cover your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both. I want it for both. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.